Hey guys, what is going on? Lego Man 123 and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be unboxing the Lego Classic Set 10696. So without further ado, let's get into it. So included is a manual that does include some advertisements for the other Lego Classic sets. Then we have, looks like a little miniature manual. Nope, it's just an advertisement. Then we have several bags full of color. And finally, a base plate. So, hope you guys did enjoy this video as much as I did making it and unboxing this set, because I'm definitely super excited to use the bright and colourful pieces as well as the more obscure colours in future mocks, so definitely stay tuned for that. But I would definitely love to hear your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below, and as always guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video, and it continues to goodbye.